Hey, Dad. What you doing?
Oh, hey. Hey, kids. Didn't I say not to bother me while I'm at work? I'm busy. I'm crunching numbers here on Excel, making the bacon for
What's
us.
for dinner?
You want to know what for dinner? Didn't you eat like 8 hours ago?
We're hungry.
You're hungry? Oh, but I'm a busy working parent. I don't know what to make for dinner.
How do you not know?
I have an idea. After this video.
Belize's capital city, Belize City. And
So, I know that was just a dramatization, and I'm not actually a working parent. I don't have any skin babies as opposed to my fur babies. Love you, Beast. And so, my opinions don't matter, and my life's difficulties aren't real. But one day I was at work and I wanted something really tasty for dinner, and this idea came to me. Easy stovetop enchiladas. It only has a few ingredients. It's really quick to make and is really good. So let's get started. So here's our ingredients. We have microwave Mexican rice, microwaveable refried beans, enchilada sauce, corn tortillas, and fiesta cheese blend. Our first thing to do is we're going to read the instructions on this rice and get it in the microwave. So we've got our little flat pan heating up. I don't know what it's called, but you're going to want to cook your corn tortillas first while you're microwaving your rice and your beans, because it'll give your tortillas a nice flavor, nice feel. And you might be saying, Pizza John, you're eating rice microwaved in a plastic bag. That's going to give you microplastics. But I just have to say, I'm already full. I'm not worried. Can't get more. So we just flipped them over once, and they're looking good. They're getting nice color. Hopefully some nice flavor. The rice is just finished cooking, so I'm taking it out and putting the beans in. We'll keep cooking some tortillas till we have enough. It really just depends on how many you want. I'm probably going to cook 8 to 10. Okay, so we got our tortillas cooked. We got 8 of them right there. And now for the next step. So the next step is to take your rice, open it up, and just plop it into your skillet. And once you have it in there, you're going to kind of mash it into a layer at the bottom. This is the base for our little stovetop enchiladas. Well, it's not perfect because we're busy parents and we're just trying to get this meal done. So our next step is to make the little enchiladas. So you take your spoon, get some refried beans from the bag. It just depends on how much you want in each one, how far you want to spread the bag. I like mine to be pretty full. So yeah, you spread it, get some beans in there, then you get some cheese. Don't really have any measurements, just eyeballing. But yeah, then you have that and you roll it. Doesn't roll great, but then you put it in your pot, your pan. And you do that for all of them. Ta-da! So we got our pan filled. We've got 10 enchiladas in there. Now have some extra refried beans. So I'm gonna plop that on top. Okay, so next, after you got everything in the pan, you spread a can of enchilada sauce just over everything. I'm still experimenting on this part, like maybe use a bigger can, 2 cans. 2 can! And so yeah, you spread that over, and then I like to put some cheese on top because I'm a cheese guy. And now you cook it on medium low heat for about 5 minutes. Au revoir. You'll be cooked next time we see ya. Squad chicken, baby. Beastford. Beastford. Oh, good boy. Hey, Pistachio. Psst, psst, psst. Hey, look up. Good girl with your haircut. Biscuit, what are you doing? Biscuit. Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Hey, Biscuit. Bang. Right, so we cooked it about 10 minutes, actually not 5, but I believe it's ready. So here's your look. If you like pina coladas. Oh, yeah. Hear the sizzle? Oh, that looks good. All right, let's sit down and have a little taste. All right, so it's done, and now it's time to taste it. I've made this before. I think it's good, but gotta do it for the camera. Yeah, that is hot. That is good. Nostalgia. So you may be asking yourself, Pizza John, why isn't this a video about a crazy food? This seems normal. And it is. And I know I tried to eat Cheez-It crust apple pie for all my meals, and I nearly died. So I need to have balance. So that's why this exists. And also, Cheez-It apple pie takes hours to make. This takes minutes. And that's why we make it. So thanks for watching, and remember, eat pizza, baby.